Hey there, everyone. How's it going? My name is Henry, and in this video, I'm here to share everything you need to know about Mitolyn before you decide to buy it. I also have some crucial warnings to share, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. This could save you from wasting your money. A quick warning. The first thing you need to be careful about is where you're buying Mitolyn from. Right now, this product is only available on its official website. To make things easier for you, I've included the official website link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. Now, let's dive in. I'm here in the corner of your screen to walk you through my experience and help you figure out if Mitolyn is worth it. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is an advanced weight loss support supplement designed to boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. It's the perfect choice for those looking for a natural way to manage their weight, especially if you've struggled with traditional diets or exercise programs. The science behind Mitolyn revolves around mitochondrial health. Mitochondria, also known as the powerhouses of our cells, play a vital role in converting nutrients into energy. When these tiny powerhouses don't function properly, it can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and other metabolic issues. Mitolyn's formula uses clinically researched, natural ingredients to restore mitochondrial efficiency, helping your body burn fat more effectively and use energy optimally. Why choose Mitolyn? Mitolyn doesn't just stop at weight loss. It also tackles other issues like low energy levels and poor digestion, making it a comprehensive solution for your overall well-being. Plus, it's made with natural, non-GMO, and stimulant-free ingredients, standing out from other products that often rely on harsh chemicals or artificial additives. How does Mitolyn work? Mitolyn targets the root cause of weight gain, poor mitochondrial function. Research shows that when your mitochondria aren't working efficiently, your body is more likely to store fat instead of burning it, making weight loss harder and draining your energy. Mitolyn's unique formula boosts cellular energy production and enhances your body's fat metabolism, leading to more effective weight loss. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in their energy levels and weight reduction, especially when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. So, if you are looking for a natural and effective way to shed those extra pounds and feel more energized, Mitolyn might be the solution for you. Don't forget to check out the official website link below to ensure you're getting the authentic product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.